This is Saturday, November the 16th, 2019. We are at the PRC Building at Hill Plantation, and this is an example of the cleaning that was done, how clean the property is, and I'll try to make this video short. But detailed as well. It's a real good example of how clean it is. Paint's been holding up real nice. Unfortunately, the cedar soaks up water, and so we've got some damage to the post here. But it has cleaned up beautifully. Must have had a good painter that did this paint job. Anyway, this just shows you how clean it came, and really is shining example in the neighborhood, except again for some of these posts. It's an example of the damage there that needs to be repaired. And then that'll bring us back to the front here. And that will do it for this video.